Hello there, my name is Terry Sidhu and I'm a life coach, and one of my favorite pieces of advice to share with my clients is to get out in nature. It's such a wonderful place to be, especially when you're feeling emotionally burdened and you can't sit comfortably with your thoughts. The reason why nature is so effective in mental health management is that there's no judgment out here, there's no prejudice. A tree is just a tree, a leaf is just a leaf, and the dirt is just dirt, which means you can just be innately who you are. Now, I'm going to be teaching a webinar. It's 7 ways to increase self-awareness and better manage your mental health. I'm going to be sharing techniques to help you raise confidence. It's going to be all about effective evaluation and reflection. I'm going to introduce a new topic called deconstructing reality and working with those different realms of consciousness. And I'm also going to be sharing a few life planning techniques as well. It's going to be packed full of content, and I can't wait to see you there because it's going to be so much information that you can implement in your lives easily. That's the key to it. It's not stuff that you're going to have to work too hard at. You can implement some of these techniques very easily, and I can't wait to share them with you. So definitely sign up and I'll see you there. Take care. Bye-bye.